Okay friends, hey, ETPC here. I'm going to show you how to set up my Lohas or your Lohas smart LED light bulbs with Amazon Echo to control them as a group. So I had my bulb set up one at a time and I was trying to figure it out. So I got it figured out. You're going to want to click on your Tuya Smart app. That's going to be sideways, so I'm going to have to turn it here again. Okay, that's going to come up like this. And what you want to do is you want to click on Home. Let's see, Profile, Devices. There's got to be a way here. I just did this last night, so. Okay, so actually I need to turn on my bulbs here. Turn them off. Okay, so I do have them all synced. They're all green. Watch this. Alexa, turn my main lights to dark blue.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh? Alexa, turn my main lights to dark red.
Okay.
So that's that. I did have it set up, so I'm trying to get to show you guys how to do that here. Alright, so living room group. If I just go to living room light, okay, and then we can set, let's see, turn it off, and you go to this settings, and you go to create group. Okay, so you want to go click one of your light bulbs, okay, turn it off, and you click on this three little buttons up here, or three little dots up there in the right hand corner. Scroll down to create group, okay, and then you can select all the ones that you want in your group. So you would just click, you would like highlight all of them, boom, 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 and then you'd hit confirm, okay? Now then it'll tell you to name the name of your group or whatever, okay? So that would get me to, let's see, basically living room group is all my lights. Okay, and then you can ungroup them if you want to. Let's go back and I'll show you what you do if you actually. Okay, so click on any one of them and go to the options up in the right hand corner, go to create group, and then you could do, okay, like 2 and 6, okay, confirm, right, then you would name it living group 6, save. I'm not going to save it, I don't want it on there. Okay, but once you have that, this is the important part for Amazon Echo to recognize it. Now you want it, once it's set up, and you can go like, hey, how come it's not working or whatever, right? So what you need to do is you have to go, sorry about this, you would have to go into your Amazon Alexa app, okay? And it'll bring up your app, and what you want to do is hit the skills button, okay? That'll bring that up, and you want to type in your skills at the top, because we've already installed the Tuya app and all that. If you haven't, refer to my other video. I'll put the link in the description here. So the Tuya Smart Home, you would click that. Okay, and then you would go to Settings. And then you would click Manage Smart Home Devices. Okay, and here's what would happen. It would recognize your new things. So you can set it up on your Tuya app and get the lights all set up, but until you go to Amazon Echo app and you click here, it won't it's not going to find your device. So you would actually click like Add Device. Okay, and it'll search for that device. It takes not very long, about maybe 20 seconds. Okay, like it says, this may take 20 seconds. So you click there to search for devices once you've created your home group on the Tuya app. Okay, now it'll find it. When you hit close and you go back here, it'll be on here. So like I changed the name of and added a group. I grouped all those together earlier to do a main room for my living room. So that's how you get that, and then you can add a scene if you want to. I haven't figured out how to do that yet, but this thing's actually pretty user friendly. It just took a little bit of a learning curve. So that is how you use your Amazon Echo to control your Tuya smart bulbs in groups. Okay. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, sorry this video is a little grainy, then I'd be happy to walk you through it. So appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy your lights out there. I'll just show you a couple more things. I like messing with them. So I can go back to my Tuya Smart. Let's go back. Let's go to our group, living room group, and I'll show you. I think the other day I only showed messing with one of them, so they're all off right now, right? And turn them on. Now they're all red. We can go to our colors. They're purple. I can click on blue. Click on green. It's actually better when it's dark because you can see all the colors, but you can click on a scene right here. Let's go with the shine. And it's going to flash your color, right? And you can go to gorgeous and it'll do a disco light. Different colors. Then you can make it faster or slower. We can slow it down so it changes slower, make it brighter, whatever you want to do. Okay. Alright, my friends, so thanks for watching this little tutorial on how to set up your Amazon Echo with your Lohas smart LED bulbs as far as using them as a group. So, Alexa, turn my main lights off.
Okay.
And they are off. Thanks for watching.